Hello guys, I'm back at it again to give you guys another video of something that you need. And you might be here for a reason. It's because you can't figure it out or you're having some problems with your machine. I'm back here to help you one more time. And it's Rob. So thanks for joining the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for coming here today. Be sure to subscribe and hope you get something out of this next video. So, with further ado, let's get into it! It's a 15 needle machine, and this is a way to wind the bobbin and correctly secure the bobbin. One, you want to pull a lid on this to access the bobbin. Right, as you see, it sits in this carriage. Then I'm gonna get down here on my knees for you guys to give you a good video. All right, it sits in this carriage. It's gonna come already in your machine for one thing. If you're looking for it and you can't find it, there's a one bobbin already in your machine. All right, this little hinge right here flexes anyway. So what you got to do is it's this little latch. I'm gonna go with my left hand, guys. It's a little latch in here. You get in there. You pull it, you pull that latch, right? And then you can see right here, I'm gonna show you just this part. You see that little niche right there? It's a little niche right there. This bobbin has a little niche right there. Right there, this little niche. So, when you go in there, the little niche has gotta match up. Right there, you see it? And then you press it until you hear that clicking sound. You see that niche into that niche right there? I'm gonna go back out and pull this one more time. It's not my first bobbin. I'm gonna pull that. You gotta wiggle it and jiggle it a little bit. But that niche is where this little niche goes right here. This little niche. This little niche, guys. So, since we got that, putting it in and out, let's show you. I'm gonna show you guys how to thread this bobbin now. All right, correctly. Now let's get into that. Let's get into it. All right, guys, we're back again, and let me show you how I personally thread the bobbin. Now, I have my thread going this way, so it unravels this way, and I thread the bobbin facing away from me. So you see this little niche in here? I do this. I take this, I put it in here. You know, so you guys can see, I turn this around. This one is kind of tough to do with one hand, guys, but I'm gonna get it for you. It's a two-hand operation. All right, I'm gonna have to change it up, and so let's get into it. I was switching the camera around. All right, guys. So what I do, I have it facing away from me. Let me go back and pull it out. So it's facing away. All right. This is hard because this thing is so small. I understand. This needs to be going down, so it's facing away. Open face. The open face is facing towards me. I have this side down. Can you see what side that is? All right. And then you stick this in here, and I'm gonna go inside this little notch right here. All right, I'm gonna feed it all the way through until it comes to this little hole. That little hole right there, right? Then from that little hole, I'm gonna take it and wrap it around this little, it's like a little threader. I go 1, 2, 2, and I give it a little pull. I give it a little pull, and I leave a little rat tail. I leave a little rat tail. I don't leave too long of a rat tail, but I leave a little rat tail. Take this, and I will probably cut it in half. So about that much little rat tail, right? Now I'm gonna take you back over to the machine so you guys can see how I put it in with the little rat tail, as we just said before. But I'm gonna show you how I assemble it and how I put it back in. Back at the machine where we started at, let's get into it. As before, we took that little piece right there, that little pointing piece right there, and we take it in there and we try to line it up with the other pointing piece, and you gotta hear the clicking sound. You put this little piece of string, you just tuck it in there, Like I said, don't have it too long, but that's fine right there. I let it dangle like that. Don't worry, guys. When it goes down, it's gonna automatically pick it up. So that's it, guys. Make sure you got this closed. You need to hear that clicking sound, and you just put the bobbin into your machine. All right. All right, guys. Hope you made it through that good and safe, and nobody got hurt. Just showed you how to put the bobbin into the machine, how to thread it, and what sounds it got to make, what it got to look like. So if you need any help, just rewind the video or comment down below. So I'm glad to help you. Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Royal. Till next time, salute.